he does everything. और वो मुझे इतना इंस्पायर करता है. सबसे ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल चीज मुझे उनकी लगती है, हाउ ग्राउंडेड ही इज. नो मैटर, मतलब लोग उनको भगवान मानते हैं, हम लोग सब भगवान मानते हैं, पर वो ऐसी ऐसी चीजें करते हैं ना जिससे देख के ऐसा लगता है, ओ माय गॉड, आई वांट टू बी जस्ट लाइक हिम.
बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना हमने इतना स्ट्रगल किया. आई डोंट फाइंड इट एज स्ट्रगल, ट्रस्ट मी, क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं था जब शुरुआत की थी, उसके बाद सिर्फ मिला ही है, प्यार, इज्जत सब मिली है. तो फॉर मी इट्स नेवर बीन अ स्ट्रगल, फॉर मी इट्स बीन लाइफ.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingfilm.com. I am Rashita Sahani and today we have with us Salman and Shakti for their recently released song Saato Janam that has been trending all over YouTube and other social media platforms. So firstly tell me, how do you feel?
I feel amazing. Actually, it released while I was in Uttarakhand. So we all saw it together. Everybody got so excited and they were all appreciating the video. So I was actually very nervous because this is very romantic and very different from what I've done. So I was like, I don't know how people are going to react, but everybody loved it. So I'm so excited. I want to know how Salman felt.
Yeah, मैं तो सबके साथ था, and for me it was very important to get an honest critic. And लोग and जनता से बढ़कर हमारी honest critic कोई और है नहीं. And when people started genuinely commenting and calling me up and saying they loved the video, तब था ना थोड़ा सा एक relief मिला कि अच्छा चलो ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं कुछ और ही दिमाग में लेके बैठा था कि पता नहीं, because I get very what do you call critical about everything, you know, कि ये ऐसा होना चाहिए था, ऐसा shot लगना चाहिए था, ये. But finally when public का reaction आया and when my loved ones called and my well-wishers called and said कि नहीं, it is really good, then थोड़ी सांस में सांस है, and I was like, okay, चलो, good, I'm glad people are loving it. और in 24 hours we did 2 million for a start. That was great, यार, alhamdulillah. So yeah. I'm very happy.
Okay, yeah. And what about the chemistry? Because you two made it look so effortless. How did you manage to do that?
यार, अब आपके सामने अगर कोई इतनी खूबसूरत लड़की हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप केमिस्ट्री हो ही जाते हैं ना, आपके एक्सप्रेशन निकल जाते हैं ना. तो ऑल थैंक्स टू शक्ति फॉर मेकिंग मी लुक गुड. आई जस्ट हैड टू एक्शन के बाद जस्ट वॉक इन ऑन सेट, एज सिंपल.
Nice.
I can't stop laughing.
Because throughout the video, Shakti is only smiling. You see the whole video, no? She has this sweet smile on her face, and she's just smiling. It's damn cute.
Shakti, you tell me.
Difficult to. It is very difficult to appear hot or anything. If you're talking about chemistry, I think it comes very naturally because we are so comfortable with each other. We have danced so many times before. We've done such difficult things. And Salman really makes me feel very comfortable. We have done very difficult moves, and we have done it in the past as well, live performances. And I know that I can always trust him. I'll share an incident from the shoot. We were on a tree trunk, which was about, I think, 10 feet above the beach. And all these locations, beautiful locations, were explored by Remo sir. So we were like, wow, my God, all these locations feel like we are in a dream world. So he asked us to climb up. I'm like, come on, what are we going to do? And then Salman's lifting me up and we are dropping, falling, all this. It was unbelievable. But when I do it with Salman, I know that he's not going to make me fall. So even if we get a little like we are kind of shaking, we both start laughing. But that just happened once. But we were laughing. I was never scared. So I think that chemistry happens with a lot of trust that we have for each other.
I agree. पर इसके साथ जुड़ी एक और इंसिडेंट बोलता हूँ कि जैसे ये शॉट होता, क्योंकि it was quite a bit of a height and if he would fall, it would be a bad fall. पर जैसे कट होता ना, ये ना 4-5 मुस्टंडे लड़के भागकर सीधा शक्ति के पास जाते और मैं वहां खड़ा रहता कि भाई मेरी मतलब कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है, मैं भी इंसान हूँ यार. मैं मतलब ऐसे साइड से खिसकते मैं खुद उतर जाता, पर शक्ति को सपोर्ट करने के लिए जो लोग भागते यार, लाइक वाह 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 वाह.
Okay.
Yeah.
It sounds like you all had a lot of fun working on this song.
Arey dhamal. We had an amazing time.
Okay. And how was it working?
Salman is Hamdan there. I can hear him.
If I call him, the interview is not going to happen. So let him be on the phone. He is there in the next room. Yeah, he is.
Okay, at the end of the interview, let's see.
Pakka.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me, how is it working with Remo sir?
No, Remo sir, oh my God, it's a dream come true to be in the same space with him, working or not working. And working is like even next level for me. And each and every moment felt like, oh my God, I used to just observe him how he works. It's crazy. I mean, for us, it's learning every time when we are around him. From picking up the equipments to picking up stones, मतलब ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं है कि रेमो सर को लगती है कि लाइक यू नो आई विल नॉट डू दिस, ही डज एवरीथिंग। और वो मुझे इतना इंस्पायर करता है। सबसे ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल चीज मुझे उनकी लगती है हाउ ग्राउंडेड ही इज। नो मैटर, मतलब लोग उनको भगवान मानते हैं, हम लोग सब भगवान मानते हैं, पर वो ऐसी ऐसी चीजें करते हैं ना जिससे देख के ऐसा लगता है, ओ माय गॉड, आई वांट टू बी जस्ट लाइक हिम, ही इज अमेजिंग। एंड वी कंप्लीटली सरेंडर टू हिम। वो हमें बोलते हैं ये करो, हम लोग वो करते हैं। एंड आई थिंक दिस रिलेशनशिप ऑफ Guru Shishya is amazing. We just absolutely love him and we wish the best for him.
Absolutely. I think Shakti's just compiled everything so beautifully and put it. It's a mutual feeling. I think anybody who works with him will share the same feeling. And of course, we are blessed to be directed by him as actors in this music video. And I always look forward to working with him. कोई भी project हो, कोई भी बहाना मिल जाए उनके साथ associate करने का. So everything that she said is absolutely to the point, and it was an absolute pleasure just to be there around him.
Okay. And you all have made your name, both of you, in the dancing industry, in the film industry as well, of course, with a lot of hard work. And there is a lot being said about the film and the music industry. But tell me something, in your industry, what are the particular challenges that you face?
So, सबसे important चीज है when it comes to our fraternity or any field, but especially our fraternity and our field, is consistency. It's very important to be consistent, क्योंकि एक रियलिटी शो करके फेम मिल जाना एक चीज है, उसको सस्टेन करना, उसको नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाना, इट्स अ होल डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. तो आई थिंक जस्ट टू कीप वर्किंग ऑन योर आर्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड जस्ट टू be very sure about what you want to through this medium of media, how do you want to reach out to people, what do you want to translate in terms of what you want to show the world, how do you want to make a difference is important. उस चीज पे अगर आप क्लियर हो तो आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग एल्स देन मैटर्स. अप्स एंड डाउन्स, जैसे कि दुनिया की नजर में जो तोलते हैं ना कि अरे ही वाज फेमस या ही इज फेमस, दैट डजंट मैटर देन एनीमोर. सो टू बी आर्टिस्टिक इज अ चैलेंज इन दिस कमर्शियल फील्ड फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम पे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स, ऐसे वर्क आते हैं कि यू डोंट incline emotionally and mentally with it, but then you sometimes choose to do it, because of different circumstances. But all in all, I'd say that to be an artist, it's not easy. To envision and to embody and to live the life you want to live, it's not easy, but it's a choice that we've made. And बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं ना हमने इतना स्ट्रगल किया. I don't find it as struggle, trust me, क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं था जब शुरुआत की थी, उसके बाद सिर्फ मिला ही है, प्यार इज्जत सब मिली है. तो for me it's never been a struggle. For me it's been life that I've been living, and like they say, life is not a destination, it's a journey. So the journey is still on, and I'm loving every bit of it.
Okay, great. And Shakti?
I feel we have, like just how Salman just said, we are very fortunate to be living what we really want to do, what truly makes us happy. And there is nothing more important than that. So we are really blessed that we have so much support and love from people, and we are able to pursue what we want to do. उसके ऊपर तो कुछ है ही नहीं life.
And both of you have tried every platform, like you all have been in reality shows, films, choreography, and now music video as well. So tell me something, how has your overall journey been? Of course, as you mentioned that you all are blessed to do what you actually love to do. But if I ask you about the journey that you have had in the industry.
The industry has been very welcoming, and बहुत सारे अच्छे लोग टकराए हैं, fortunately. और लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवां बनता गया और करते करते यहाँ तक हम पहुंच भी गए. And it's very important to work with like-minded people, I feel, to make a difference, to match the same wavelength for what you want to do. और यार जर्नी के बारे में तो मैं कुछ ज्यादा बोलूंगा नहीं, क्योंकि जर्नी अभी भी जारी है. And life is still, we are still alive, we are still living, and it's beautiful. Yeah, every moment in this field has been beautiful, because again, going back to the basics, we are not working, we are doing what we love to do. हम किसी के लिए काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम किसी वजह से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. It's just एक एहसास है, एक फीलिंग है. what we are मतलब as an artist we live in a bubble, right? So this is our bubble, this is a bubble of happiness, what we love to do, and people are appreciating it, people are loving it. वो तो सोने पे सुहागा हो रहा है. So I think that's what it is, कि खुश रहो, खुशियां बांटते चलो. and बस जहाँ पे भी दुनिया में कोई भी कोने में बैठा हुआ बंदा, पता नहीं how his day or her day is going, अगर मोमेंटरीली भी अगर उससे थोड़ी खुशी मिल जाएगी हमारे एक वीडियो देख के, परफॉर्मेंस देख के, I think that is the power of performance. That's what I think excites me a lot. Ki I can make a difference and bring a smile on somebody's face, or change somebody's mood up. So that's the aspect of what I do that really gives me a kick.
I think our journey has been very, very incredible. We started off as standing on the street, trying to apply for an audition, and to going on to winning the show, both of us, season 1 and season 2, to getting opportunities as choreographers, as dancers, and then appearing as a judge. So I think journey has been phenomenal. Like, it feels like a dream that something like this could even happen. और इससे ज़्यादा और अच्छा क्या हो सकता है? I don't know. It just when if I just say it like this, it feels like, did this really happen?
I swear, it feels like a different
really
life
grateful.
altogether.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Salman and Shakti, for talking to me. It was great chatting with you.
Very good. No tricky questions.
Thank you.
बहुत
Same
अच्छा काम किया आपने.
here.